Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. You guys already know what time it is, where your boy is about to install his race seat in his Camaro. But first and foremost, let's get the formalities out the way. We just want to say Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. A lot of this content was filmed before Christmas, but I'm just now getting to editing and all that for the New Year's, guys. So this is going to be the very first video for the New Year. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and let's get into installing this race seat inside the Camaro. Already so far, I am happy with it. Like, it looks like it's gonna fit in there. So let's see, can we close the door with it? Like, it's not like really fully in here. I can slide left and right. So I'm just getting the feel for it. So now I'm all the way in, and I'm just trying to get my seat placement. I think my seat placement is pretty good. I can close the door. The door, if we open it, it's not hitting. So that's a plus there. So I chose the right seat for me. As you guys can see, I got the belt buckles here, or the harness that can flow through here, so it's not like protruding on my shoulders. And look, I got some height in here. Like, so I definitely can fit in my helmet. Like, I got a big chunk. Before it was like this. Now with the race seat in, I got a decent amount. And I'm not even gonna lie, like, the visibility is like perfect in this car, because I can look left and I can use all this glass. So when people say you can't see out the Camaro, with a race seat, you could definitely see everything out the Camaro. I'm not even gonna lie, because you're more sunk in here. So let's go ahead and finish this install. Okay, so now that we have the seat placement, this is pretty much like my boat setup and my seat setup that fits me. So I'm using this hole here. This is what I was telling you about on this side, where I'm gonna install these like this now. So when I put it in, it's just straightforward. Then all I gotta do is just install this bolt and this bolt. So for this bracket on this back side here, since it's a little bit shallow on this side compared to this side, because it's not open based on how this is created, I got a shorter M10 bolt. I would say, like, instead of a 125, it's a 1 millimeter, and that's what I used to put on that side. And it's pretty much like a 17. I used to 17 ratchet just to like screw that in, and this is just a factory bolt right there. So that's something to be aware of. But other than that, it fits in just fine, the bracket in. So now it's just time to get the seat. Okay, so with the floor mount and the side mount all attached to the racing seat, you is not going to be able to get this race seat in the car and drill the bolts in. That's just very unfortunate with the Camaro, because the Camaro inside is so tight with the tunnel being in the middle of the car. So the best way I was able to achieve this was put the floor mount in first. Then I went on ahead and put the side mount in. And then after I put the side mount in, then I was able to put the race seat in. That was like one of the ways I was able to achieve this. But I feel like it was getting a little bit more complicated once you have big hands. I have big hands, so it's kind of hard to get in the inside. So another way that you guys can do this is I put the floor mount in first. Then after that, I put the side mounts in. I had to make sure that I got my actual holes in place. I put that inside the car next, and then after that I put the race seat in the car. Now, it looked like mission has failed. I've been working on this for quite some time, and it looks like based on the hooks, they are not aligned correctly. As you can see, like, I'm kind of scratching on the inside there, so it's not going in there good. So I've been maneuvering, I've been trying different ways to install these brackets. So there's a few ways that I tried to install this. So, and you guys may run across this, because I don't have sliders. I reached out to a few people that use sliders, but I'm not dealing with sliders because of the fact that I want this to stay like my dedicated race seat, and I can go in and out between my Recaros or my race seat. But I reached out to Planet, and the problem is here on these hooks. They said these hooks supposed to be like 3/16 of an inch. And when I measured it, it was way more than 3/16 of an inch, as I'll show you guys here. All right, we look at the one, and we start at the one. Yeah, that's way more than, let me move the one over. That's way more than 3/16 of an inch that they told me. So they want me to, based on the email I share with you guys on the screen here, that I guess it's like a bad batch. So this race seat is pretty much going to be on stall right now till I get it back. So that's where this video going to pause at. They're going to weld these off and then put the new hooks on there, and I should be good to go. Shout out to Planet Technology. They recognized it was their mistake, so I got a free label. They're going to take my existing bracket, because I even told them, like, hey, do you want to replace this bracket and give me a brand new one? Or would they don't mind modifying my existing one? So they're going to modify my existing one, because I already have my holes already slotted and drilled for my seat as of now, and that'll be easy. So I got a free shipping label to send it there and back, and they're in Washington, so it's not that far from me. So they'll get in a couple days. I'll wait a couple days. So it is what it is.
3 days later.
So here goes the bracket. Same thing, whatever. It's my bracket because I got it slotted for my race seat. So I'm more excited here. The problem here, like I shared with them, is that this here was supposed to be 3/32. This looks a lot smaller than I have now. So we're about to go ahead and test fit this to make sure that it slides in there. All right, y'all, so we finally got the floor mount installed. Everything is looking good. The holes are lining up good with the stock bolts. That's the bolt you're going to need on this side, because you could drill like I did here. You could drill a new hole, but I'd rather just get the hex, put it there and here, and then I'm good to go. All right, y'all, so the time has came that the race seat is officially in, man. This is the actual look of it. Yeah, I had to run out to the store, to Home Depot, which I didn't share with you guys. I had to run out to the Home Depot because these Allen screws that they give me, it's giving me a hard time to like get the Allen key on the other side. So what I had to do was I had to go ahead and get like the similar hex screw that I share with you guys. That's on the back. That's on the back side back there that I had to use back there. That's what I pretty much use for the screws on the other side. So we got it in, and it is looking good. It's not that bad to even get in here too. Like as I'm getting in here, uh-oh, my light dying, so it's gonna go out. But look, your boy's in here. Y'all complain about the visibility, but the visibility is crazy. So I can't wait to give you guys like my first impressions of it on the road, like having a race sheet. But overall, like, it is nice. This is crazy how low I'm sitting to the floor and everything. I may raise my seat up a little bit, but honestly, like the way it's sitting as of now, I think I'm more comfortable with it as is, because I got plenty leg room. Plenty leg room. I can get the clutch, a brake. So yeah, that's that, man. Now this is in the race seat. You can see the difference on my shoulders. My shoulders is more planted, is more sitting in here. As far as my headroom and my headspace, I got like this much. So I'm like, I was like this in the Recaros on that side, but now I got like a little bit this much. So I probably gained like almost like an inch in here, just sitting here. So with the helmet and everything, then yeah, it's definitely a gain in here. Plus I'm sitting lower to the floor and everything. So that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up. Of course, you guys are gonna get my first impressions on the road with it and everything, but this is it. I'm glad I got the race seat in. The next thing I'm gonna get is like probably like a harness bar back here, so I can go with a 4-point harness. I'm not really gonna go with like a 6-point or a 5-point, but I feel like for me, a 4-point harness would be good, because there'll be something I can just jump in and out of really quick and don't have to worry about anything else. The next thing I have to do is just put the regular seat belts in here, just for safety on the road and stuff like that. But overall, this is it. So like that, man, if you guys like this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.